Hi everyone, welcome to the new math problem. We have b plus b plus b is equal to b times b. Find the value of b. So we will start the solution of this question. We have b plus b plus b is equal to b times b times b. It's b plus b plus b is 3b, whereas if we multiply b into b, b square into b is b cube. Now subtract 3b on both sides of the equation. 3b minus 3b is equal to b cube minus 3b. Plus 3b minus 3b cancel. We have b cube minus 3b is equal to 0. Now we can see that we will take b common from both the terms. So we left with b square minus 3 is equal to 0. Now either this will be equal to 0 or this whole will be equal to 0. So b equals 0 or b square minus 3 is equal to 0. First we have this value of b, which is 0. We can write this as b square minus 3 can be written as square root of 3 whole square. Square cancel square root, back to 3. 3 as written as square root of 3 whole square. So it will be square root of 3 whole square is equal to 0. This is a square minus b square, x square minus y square. What is x square minus y square? It is x minus y times x plus y. So it will be b minus square root of 3 times b plus square root of 3 equal to 0. Either this will be equal to 0 or this will be equal to 0. So we have b minus square root of 3 equal to 0 or b plus square root of 3 equal to 0. Now add square root 3 on both sides, we get another value of b, which is plus square root of 3. And if we subtract square root of 3 on both sides, we get third value of b, which is negative square root of 3. So we have three values of b, which is 0, plus square root of 3, minus square root of 3. Now we will check these values by putting these values back in the question for verification. First we will take b equals 0. We have b times b plus b equals b times b. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0 times 0 times 0. That means 0 equal to 0 and left hand side equal to right hand side. Our value of b equals 0 is correct. Now we will check for another value of b, which is plus square root of 3. We have b plus b equals b times b times b. So it will be square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3 equals square root of 3 times square root of 3 times square root of 3. This has a 1 coefficient, this also have 1 coefficient, and this also have 1 coefficient, so it will be 3 times square root of 3. Square root of 3 into square root of 3 square times square root of 3. This is 3 square root of 3 equals, square root cancel with square, 3 times square root of 3. It means left hand side equals right hand side. Now we will check another value of b, which is negative of square root 3. We have b plus b plus b equals b times b minus square root of 3 minus square root of 3 minus square root of 3 equals minus square root of 3 times minus square root of 3 times minus square root of 3. This will be minus 3 times square root of 3. This is minus into minus, plus square root of 3 whole square times minus of square root 3. This square root cancel with square. We have minus 3 times square root of 3 equals this minus 3 square root of 3. Left hand side equal to right hand side, so we have b equals 0, square root of 3 minus square root of 3. These are the three values of b we have found from the step-by-step solution. And I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching.